I'm going to show you how to make charm bracelets like this, how to open and close jump rings and how to use necklace ends. Start by threading on a necklace end with the open cups or jaws pointing away from you, and then thread on a crimp. And then using a pair of chain nose pliers to squash the crimp bead flat. You want to do it quite close to the end of the necklace end, and then close the necklace end over the crimp. I tend to start it off with my fingers and then just tighten it with a pair of pliers so that the cups are closed. And then onto the open loop, I'm going to attach your trigger clasp. And then just close the loop again with a pair of chain nose pliers. And then we're going to thread our beads on. And when the bracelet is about the right length, you want to allow about 1 centimetre more for the other side of the clasp. We can add the other end of the clasp. When your bracelet's the right length, thread on a necklace end, again with the cups pointing away from you, and thread on another crimp. And to move the crimp down almost to the bottom of the jaw of the necklace end, and then with the chain nose pliers squash that crimp again so that it grips the thread. Cut the end of your bead along. Some people prefer to use scissors. I tend to use cutters. And then close the jaw of your necklace end, and onto the other loop you want to add a jump ring, and then close the end of the necklace end over, so you've then got a bracelet. To add the charms, we're going to use jump rings. So you pick up the jump ring and using a pair of chain nose pliers, grip it with the gap in the top of the jump ring facing upwards. And the easiest thing to do is also use a pair of bent chain nose, but 2 pairs of chain nose work just as well. And then you twist the jump ring open. So you don't pull it open, otherwise that distorts the circle. You just twist it so the jaws are away from each other. Normally you just keep gripping it with your chain nose pliers. And then you thread on your charm, thread it onto your bracelet, and just twist in the opposite direction to close it. And what you want is the 2 ends of the jump ring to close evenly, so there's no gap for the thread to fall through. So I'll just show you with the other charm. Twist open your jump ring, thread on your charm, thread on your bracelet, and just twist to close. And then you've got a charm bracelet.